Welcome to 42 Plus. Today we'll speak about Pokemon. Since everyone is playing Pokemon Go nowadays, running around in real world trying to catch fictional Pokemon, we here in 42 Plus decided to find out the real life counterpart of some of the famous Pokemon. Stick around for the top 3 which might surprise you a lot. Number 15. We start with the familiar first generation Pokemon Krabby and Kingler. As his name suggests, they are crabs. Number 14. Magikarp, first generation water Pokemon, considered as one of the most useless Pokemon in the entire Pokemon universe, but can evolve into a beastly Gyarados. It is actually based on a yellow eye rockfish found in the East Pacific. It is currently under consideration for listing under threatened or endangered status due to overfishing. Number 13. Flekion, a third generation normal type Pokemon. This Pokemon is based on chameleon, the name indicates, and its design is based on the Cape dwarf chameleon, which is native to the South African province of the Western Cape, restricted to region around the Cape Town. Number 12. Crocodile, a 5th generation dark Pokemon evolved from Sandile and Krokorok, is based on Gharial, fish-eating crocodile known for their long and narrow snout, found in Indian subcontinent, fewer than 235 individuals in the wild. The Gharial is listed as critically endangered on the International Union for Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources Red List, also known as IUCN Red List. Number 11. Kabuto, a first generation fossil water type Pokemon. This is an ancient fossil type Pokemon revived in the Pokemon Lab. This Pokemon is mostly based on horseshoe crab. Horseshoe crab are marine arthropods living primarily in and around shallow water. In recent years, a decline in population has occurred as consequence of coastal habitat destruction in Japan and over-harvesting along the east coast of North America. Like Kabuto, horseshoe crab are considered as living fossils due to their origin 450 million years ago. Number 10. Noctowl, a second generation flying type Pokemon evolved from Hoot. This Pokemon is based on the great horned owl, also known as the tiger owl or as the hoot owl, due to its distinct calls. Is found in North America and subarctic region, one of the most prolific birds of prey in America. Number 9. Eevee, first generation normal type Pokemon. This cute Pokemon is based on equally likable and cute Fennec Fox. This Fennec Fox, also known as Vulpix zerda, is a small nocturnal fox found in the Saharan desert of North Africa. Its most distinctive feature is its unusually large ears, just like Eevee. Number 8. Corvus, a third generation deep water Pokemon, evolves from Clamperl. This is based on a long-nosed Climmeras. They have exceptionally long conical snout used for finding food such as small fish. Found in temperate and tropical seas around the world, living in 200 to 2000 meter depth, reaching to 4.6 feet in total length, with mildly poisonous spine used in defense. Number 7. Girafarig, a second generation normal / psychic Pokemon. It is mostly based on Okapi, an animal very closely related to the giraffe. Basically, it looks as if it was combination of donkey and zebra, which could have inspired the two-tone look for Girafarig. Okapi are native to the northeast of Congo, Central Africa. Okapi are listed as endangered in IUCN Red List due to the habitat lost by logging and human settlement. Number 6. Drowsy, a first generation psychic Pokemon. This is based on the Malayan Kapit, a pig-like animal with a small trunk that lives in South Asia. It is listed as endangered in IUCN Red List as well. Number 5. Dragolgi, a 6th generation poison dragon Pokemon. This weird looking Pokemon is based on similarly looking leaf sea dragon. Leafy sea dragon is found along the southern and western coast of Australia. Number 4. Manaphy, a 4th generation water fairy type legendary Pokemon. This Pokemon is based on sea angels. Sea angels are a large group of extremely small surviving sea slug. They appear as though they are tiny little angels flying through the sea, hence the name sea angel. These organisms have a wide geographic range from polar region to equatorial seas. And now we go on to our top 3. Number 3, Articuno, the first generation legendary bird Pokemon. One of the 3 main legendary bird Pokemon. Articuno is also the mascot of Team Mystic in Pokemon Go. This Pokemon is based on white-throated McPee jay. White-throated McPee jay is a large Central American species of McPee jay. Like Articuno, has similar coloration and a long tail and even a head crest. Number 2, Ho-Oh, a second generation fire flying type Pokemon. It is known as the Rainbow Pokemon. Ho-Oh legendary Pokemon is most probably based on the design of Huadzin. Huadzin is a species of tropical birds found in swamps and mangroves of the Amazon and the Orinoco Delta in South America. Like Ho-Oh, it has head crest and a similar wing and body structure. And now, finally, number 1, Mew, a first generation psychic type Pokemon, considered the first Pokemon. It is one of the most likable and mysterious Pokemon in the Pokemon universe. Mew is most probably based on Jerboa. Jerboa are hopping desert rodents found throughout the northern Africa, Asia, to northern China and Manchuria. It mostly lives in hot deserts. Like Mew, it has 2 long hind legs and a very long tail. This ends our short list of animals on which some of the Pokemons are based on or inspired by. Apart from this, there are many other Pokemons that we didn't mention here. Maybe in the future we might, based on the responses. And yes, we didn't forget Mewtwo. We have something special for him in the future. If you enjoyed, please like, comment and subscribe. And for future videos, please tune in to 42 Plus.